just want to salute all the video editors and all the backline workers who are behind the screens. A big salute for all of them. Hello everyone, I am Shakaran and this video is going to be the conclusion video of IPL Talks. Before starting this video, I just want to salute all the video editors around the world. Video editing is not an easy job. I just found this when I am doing this IPL Talks videos. I am trying to describe so many incidents that were happened in that match, and I am trying to cut short precisely each and every important point, and I'm trying to add some resources that was available in the internet, and I'm trying to add some funny memes that I saw during the next day after the match. So while adding this much simple stuff, it took me so long to edit. I almost in the first video of my IPL Talks, I took 2 hours to edit it, and I felt so difficult to do that. And I thought it will be easy before starting. So only after I jump into that IPL Talks session, IPL Talks week, I found it how much difficult. So that's why I'm telling it's not easy job, and you will find the depth only when you jump in and you do that. And ongoing, I increased my efficiency of video editing, and I've reduced my time. So on the 5th day, I took around 1 hour. So it was not the general time that I will take. Usually I'll record at a stretch. When I'm practicing something, I don't take breaks. I'll record at a stretch, and I'll simply cut the front and back starting and ending parts, and I'll in a single shot I'll just post it in YouTube. But coming to this IPL Talks, I'm narrating different aspects. I'm writing down all the points which I want to talk, and I'm narrating all those points, and I'm cutting those points which I want to put in the front, and which I want to put them at the points which I want to put them at last. So there is lot of stuff that has happened, and in movies or in web series or in videos or even IPL or Big Boss, everywhere there will be lot of videos that will be captured, but it was the responsibility of the editor who has to keep the required stuff, and he has to cut short and take away the unnecessary stuff. So it is very, very difficult job, and all the backline workers who are behind the screens, a big salute for all of them. And it's not an easy job, it's very, very difficult job. And I'm so glad that I have did this IPL week, and I got to know a lot of points about video editing and editing and everything. Lot of points about the narration. I took after IPL Talk, I took a break from making videos to YouTube, but I've not stopped practicing English. I've did even more better practice of English. So I'm planning to make a new playlist. I'm planning to bring a new playlist to YouTube. So I'm working on it. So that's why I haven't posted any video for the last week, but I didn't stop practicing. So while I'm doing this IPL week session, I just got I thought to share you one more personal memory of mine that will be helpful at this moment. So in my school, they used to conduct cricket competition for different classes. So the competition was over, and the final match of the competition came, and my school arranged a mic for running commentary. To make it even more beautiful, they arranged a mic for running commentary. The final match is between 10th and 12th class, and the 10th class people are batting, and the 12th class students are bowling. So what happened is, like, the mic is in the hands of 12th class, some senior of 12th class. So what happened when he's bowling, actually one ball he bowled well. Then the commentary is like, oh, what a ball. And suddenly it was a wide. The umpire declared as a wide, but it's a wide. He said it like, oh, what a ball, but it's a wide. He said it like that. So while watching the commentary from the stands, we thought, hey, he's not doing it correctly. If I am there, I can do it even more better. We thought in that way, and we are doing commentary from our side. We are passing comments on the commentator. So I thought it is easy to do that, but when I'm sitting in this chair and doing commentary, or I'm giving my own opinions about what I thought, what I saw in the match, it is not an easy job. It's not an easy job. It's very, very difficult to do that. Every job has a difficult part and a skill set that is required, and when only we'll get to know the depth of that only when we jump in, and we'll try to do that. So we'll get to know many things only when we do that. And I came to know that point, and it was already, it was intended, huh? My main intention is to know many things by doing. So that's why I'm doing this English extempore practice, and this IPL talks has given me a lot more points. I learned something about video editing, I learned something about the precision editing, and how to include memes, and how to cut short edits, and how to give priority to the how to click a promo, how to give an intro. So I just learned so many things from this IPL week itself, and so that's why I'm glad to do this IPL talks, and I'm so happy to do that. And coming to IPL 2020, so the only point that I want to mention today is do the things, learn things by doing it, and you can improve day by day. But you will get to know the depth of the particular field only when you enter into it. So learn things by doing it, and that's the only point that I want to mention you today. And I'll catch you in another video. Thanks for watching. Sign off. Thank you.